Make dish duty a little bit easier with WeatherTech's DishMat. Let's take a closer look. DishMat is constructed from a premium USA-made material that stands up to daily chores. This thoughtfully designed mat speeds up drying time thanks to elevated ribs that ensure your pots, pans, wine glasses, baby bottles, chef's knives, and other hand wash items are not sitting in pooled water. These ribs are spaced apart in a simplistic layout that's easy to clean, plus their sloped edge will not collect grime. DishMat even features a pattern on the underside of the mat that keeps it slightly raised and allows water to evaporate. DishMat is BPA-free and is available in 3 color options: slate, stone, and sand. There are also 2 designs to choose from. The first contains water and keeps it off of your countertops. The second is designed to allow excess water to run directly from the mat into the sink. Both design options can be washed in the top rack of the dishwasher. Be sure to add a WeatherTech faucet mat to your order as well for an even easier time keeping your kitchen neat and tidy. DishMat is proudly designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA by WeatherTech.